Hello ladies and gents, Ro here and welcome to Neural Films. Today we're going to be continuing our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial we're actually going to cover images, still frames, and how to apply them into your iMovie project. First I'm going to have these three images. I'm actually going to put them right below here underneath my desktop, and we're going to use those images for our demonstration in iMovie today. But before I begin, in a previous tutorial we covered a green screen. As you can see, I used basically my face, and I put it on this background here of this image. And if you want to know how I did that, be sure to check out my previous two tutorials. And it looks like my iMovie just kind of froze up. Oh, there we go. Now what we're going to do is, first things first, I'm going to teach you guys how to get a still frame. And the previous version of iMovie, you would be able to easily get a still frame from a project, and let's say you have an image and you want to use that as a YouTube thumbnail, or you want to at least use it in your project as a still frame or as an image in somewhere in your project to make it something funny. The best way to do that, there's also a shortcut key for it, but let's say, okay, I'm gonna pause myself right there with my eyes closed. I want that to be a still frame. I want that as an image. So you can either right click at that point and go down to add freeze frame, or you can go, there we are, my eyes go, or you can go option or ALT on your keyboard. It's mainly known as option, and also hold down option and hit F, and it will create that still frame. And there we are. Now we actually have a closed eye still frame, and it's 4 seconds long. You can go adjustments and actually change how the duration of it, or you can just simply drag it and change the duration of it, of how long you want the still frame to be. But yeah, there you are. You got the still frame now. Now you can put it up on top of your projects, drag it where you want to be. I'm gonna make it actually a lot smaller. Make it 1 point. Hold on. I think that's like 2 seconds right there. But I'm gonna drag it right on top here, and then now we can actually go to adjustments again. And we learned this in our previous tutorials. You can go to cutaway, or you're gonna go in as I'm gonna put it in as a picture-in-picture. And there we are. Actually, now I have that same image with my eyes closed. And with my eyes closed, in the same image, in the same video that I just, the main project basically, I just took the still frame from this area. I just took the image, that closed eye image, and I placed it up here in this clip. Now you see me with my closed eyes on the right hand side there. Now here I am with my closed eyes, and there's two of me. So I'm gonna actually delete that. Do Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z, and actually undo all of those options I just did. And there you are. You see I'm undoing, and that was a long time ago. So there you are. We're back. There we have it, and we're just completely undid it. But that's how you do a still frame. Now let's begin. Let's just get an image. Like I showed you guys the 3 images at the beginning of the tutorial. You can actually, here I have an image. Let's drag this face image right here. It's a PNG, so it's actually gonna be just the image. It's none of the background. You can see it's only the image. It's none of the white space, nothing white space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the image, and I'm gonna go to adjustments, and I'm gonna go to picture-in-picture. And here we have the image, and I can actually adjust the size of it. Actually, first we're gonna crop it because it got the wrong part of the image here, and I want the entire face part here. So I'm gonna select this, and since it's a PNG, the black area, you won't see the black area. It will be completely clear. That's why a PNG is recommended when you want to just get only a certain part of the image. And then you see, there we are. Now we only have the face. Now we're gonna go back to the picture-in-picture, select the picture-in-picture. And if you're kind of lost of what I'm doing right here, I do suggest you check out my previous tutorials or leave a comment and I'll explain. But my previous tutorials will explain further on how to do some of these things if you don't know where adjustments is or additional. And there you are, additional items are. I just cut myself off, but there you are. Now I have a face on top of my face, and the face looks like it's actually crying. Should have got a happy face. And we are, watch this, and there you are. It's almost like you could put a troll face there or whatever you prefer. And that's how you do images, you guys. I hope that answered some of your guys' questions. I did have a few questions that pop up regarding images, on how to do images and insert images, add still frames. But that's how you would do it. And also you can actually save these images and actually bring up these images in your Finder, reveal in event or reveal in Finder, and then you can actually use them as in a thumbnail and YouTube as well, and then edit it from there for the Photoshop if you wanted to add additional special effects. But yeah, you can just drag around the image as you please where you want to place it. And other than that, also I have the image here, and I imported it. I just dragged it right into my project, and there you are. It imports the image directly into your event. But other than that, there you guys have it. That's still frames and images. If you have any questions, something that I missed regarding images, be sure to leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next tutorial, and later.
Let my life be the proof of your